Welcome to Deerhaven Ranch, your dream ranch lifestyle on 75 usable fence and cross-fenced acres designed for horses, cattle, and country living. This is a working ranch. 40 acres on the west side have raised cattle for 25 years with water, grass, nearly year-round, and the ability to feed from the barn in the dry season. If you're tired of watching your horses spend their days in a stall, let them graze. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath main home is warm and inviting with all new interior paint, real hardwood floors, and sunlight pouring through every window. The kitchen is the place to meet, with the floor-to-ceiling fireplace makes gatherings cozy. The home has 2 additional wood stoves and central HVAC. Do you need space for guests or extended family? The 1-bedroom, 1-bath guest house offers nearly 800 square feet of comfortable private living, cozy wood stove, full kitchen, and tons of natural light. Your guests will appreciate the views out every window, patio, and upper deck to enjoy the sunset. Bring your RV, your tractors, your toys. There's a 7-car shop, RV hookups with water, and full workshop inside the barn. Whether you're watching the horses at the pond, working the land, or enjoying your morning coffee with views of the snow-capped Sierras and the Coastal Range, this is a lifestyle. A spacious arena sits just outside the barn, perfect for training, play, or work. And the barn large enough to store truckloads of hay and feed, so you can buy smart and store dry. This amazing ranch also backs to BLM land, where you can trail ride right out your front gate down to the Middle Fork and North Fork of the Cosumnes River. It's the kind of access most only dream of. It could be yours every day. Deerhaven Ranch, a place to live, work, and breathe. Bring your horses, bring your herd, bring your dreams. Give us a call and we'll take you on a tour.